Hi Maggie in front.
And it's Kay in behind.
And this is using the limited edition PDF, but it's using a different paper. So again, it's just using one 8x8 pad, and Lynne did this one. And Lynne likes to use lots of paper, so it really stressed her out a bit, but you did a great job, Lynne. So here's the front cover, spine and the back. I like the colourways of this paper.
Yeah.
Okay, so in here we've got a pocket. Is that pocket? That's a pocket. I don't even know what my own PDF is now. That's a pocket, and I think that's just a decorative, decorative area, but you could make that a pocket if you wanted. So using the swivel, that's a pocket. That opens up. That's a pocket. That's a pocket. And then in here, that's a pocket. They look nice all spread out, don't they? Excuse me.
Okay, I'll take that. I'm going to start and I'll take it out.
Thank you. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Right. Quick catch-up page. So pockets here. So there's a pocket there, pocket there, pocket there, and a pocket there. And again, as always, these are pocket pages, so you can put things in the middle. And then here, you've got your 3 horizontal pockets and paper pattern matching. And then here, this is your magnetic closure. That opens up. That opens up. And then you've got your pockets here as well. That way. And then again, more pockets. And a swivel here. Pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. And I think that's a pocket as well, is it? No, it's not a pocket, but you could make that a pocket if you wanted to. And then more pockets here. So that's the, if you want the PDF for this, it won't be with these papers, it'll be with the charmed papers, but it's exactly the same cutting guide. This is Come One, Come All.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.